Good evening, families. Welcome to Berryville High School. I am Jason Laux. I am the high school math teacher, one of the high school math teachers here at Berryville High School. I've been teaching for 11 years now. This is my 8th year in the district, and I'm looking forward to teaching your son or daughter to the best of my ability in this new situation that we are currently under. A little bit about me. I'm a family man. Everything I do, I take my family everywhere we go. We like to spend as much time as we possibly can. I've been married for 8 years to my wife Shannon, who works at Culver's Franchising. I have two kids, Jalen, who is 5, and she's going to be starting 4K this year. And then I have Braden, who is 7 months old. He is up and moving and constantly growing and getting bigger and happier more and more every day. So he's a growing boy, and those two keep me plenty busy, that's for sure. A couple of my hobbies are I love sports. I love spending time with family, music, movies. Doing pretty much anything outdoors is my absolute favorite thing to do. So I like to bring in some of the sports in the competition in the class to keep things basically realistic in real life as possible, but still enjoy what we're doing. So overall, personality wise, I like to be very upbeat. I like to be very energetic. Um, Easygoing, very student friendly. I like to make the students kind of dictate the pace and the order and how things are going to be done. Things will change a little bit in the teaching style just due to the situation we are with COVID happening right now and the way the school norms are going to be. But I'm going to do my absolute best to make sure that this is the best experience we can possibly be and stay positive and stay upbeat and stay enjoying the situation we're under. But also following a lot of safety regulations and expectations. So getting into a little bit of those that I'm going to expect when kids come in is making sure they are prepared. And I'm saying when I say prepared, is prepared with all the materials, prepared to be actively engaged, be ready to learn. So the big one that I'm just going to talk about a little bit for sure in terms of what they need material wise. The normal ones for no matter what class you're in, you're going to need a notebook, a pen, pencil. Um, your Chromebooks, we're going to need them charged. If you're in person learning this year, there'll be some days we won't need the Chromebooks, but there'll be some days where you're going to need them. So I'm just going to make sure you bring them every day, make sure they're charged, make sure you're ready to use them, ready to go. There's going to be no leeway with that because that's how we can able to stay interactive in all learning types. The new thing that I'm going to ask this year is that we bring your own dry erase markers. Those are a must, and kind of make sure that every kid has their own supplies. They're not sharing them, and then we'll do plenty of sanitizing and plenty of washing hands and some mask breaks and all that. Speaking of masks, this is my biggest priority. I'm going to say because I am married and I have two kids at home, and I don't want to bring back the virus. I don't want to contract the virus, just like I don't want any other student to get this virus. Um, Face coverings, I'm going to be very, very strict with. There's no fine line, there's no gray area. So the expectation is that you wear them all the time unless we're outside and have a big distances between us and we're doing some mask break or anything like that. Otherwise, they're on and there's no questions asked. I'm doing that mainly because A, it's required in the school, and B, it's to keep the safety of all people around, but more importantly, so I can keep my family safe as much as possible during this um, crazy, crazy time we're under right now. In terms of social distancing, we're going to maintain that as much as we possibly can. I've reconfigured my room to make sure we are keeping the distances, as you can see. The kids will still be able to collaborate, be able to communicate with each other, but just going to be doing it from a little bit of a distance, obviously, due to the norms. So I am teaching geometry, algebra 2, and pre-calc this year. Pre-calc is 1A for me. Geometry is 3A and 1B. And I think algebra 2 is going to be 4A, 3B, and 4B. I could be off on the second B. I've kind of been focusing just on the quarter one stuff right now due to the change. But yeah. A couple of things we're going to be using for sure almost every day will be Google Classroom and Google Meets, both virtually and in person. Those will be the two platforms you're going to need to be very familiar with. Google Classroom, I will post everything we need for the day and what's going to be due and how to keep things pace-wise. For the virtual, obviously, same thing. I'm going to try and make sure we keep class as interactive as possible between the virtual and the in-person. So you're going to be able to virtual students will be able to live see what's going on in the classroom. They'll be able to be interactive. They'll be able to ask questions and be able to participate, whether you're at home or in this building. So lastly, I'm looking forward to the school year. It's been a long time. I haven't seen the kids since March. I'm a very student-oriented person, so missing the students have been tough on me. But that is what we're in right now. So the goal is to make sure that every day we have a positive experience. We keep upbeat, and I'm here to support them in any way possible. So please come with open mind. Come ready to roll. And if you have any questions that you want to ask about me or about the course, 5:30 to 7:30 tonight is open house. So enjoy. Hope you guys have a good night and look to see you soon. Bye.